we did Thanksgiving with them.
Right.
We didn't do Thanksgiving with our actual family. We didn't do New Year's with our actual family. We do all that stuff with them.
Right.
It's cool.
Yeah.
You know, it's,
no, you can legally turn where that guy's turning from. Yep. That was really good. Would have kept going if we didn't take that left, if we kept going straight. I actually need to get over one more. That's when this sucks. Let's see, will people give me the out-of-state plate leeway? Yes, they will. Fuck yeah.
there's an adapter you can get to utilize them.
You just haven't needed to or anything?
I never, yeah. And it's funny because again, I laugh that again I'm spoiled as can be, right? If I'm like, oh man, I don't know if I want to take my electric car,
right.
I don't.
PA liquor stores are like, because they're very different from anywhere else you've been. Holy shit, dude. I don't know which one you are. Oh, really? No, I hate when the exits do shit like that. Yeah, not bad for road. Chicago driver mode, so sorry. You're good. Yep.
Just stay here.
I got the out of what in the hell is happening here? I really hope that person wanted to get on 28 and just took the wrong one. It's simple. As a sound person. Oh, you're flying through this fucking parking lot, bro. Oh my god. God. Oh, okay.
Like I said, the crater pothole.
The call is for warrior. Once I hit New York, they don't even have them. This intersection is the bane of my existence.
It is pretty funny to do.
Oh, woof. I saw the red light ahead of us. Don't you fucking do it. Or is there a wreck? Oh. That'll do it.
Oh.
Yeah, yeah. I can make that work.
Bro.
Pittsburgh ass driver.
To the Grand Canyon. So
Oh,
we stayed
nice.
in Vegas for one night and got to see all that. We spent Christmas in the Grand Canyon.
My old roommate, Roman, would do that. What do you... Oh. so they yield. Let's see if this guy actually... Yeah, it's a very neat area. Don't you... You're fucking stupid. So we need this lane. Big is, but... Jackass, you didn't even need to do it. Tomorrow? Nah, in a week.
In a week and a half. That's fine. A week and a half would be like a random Wednesday, but you know.
I don't know if I'll have time. Wait till I get up here. Okay, quick, it's gonna turn green.
Speed running the crepe. Can turn right.
You make a good point.
You do have free will.
Make a good point. I shouldn't, but... Done a bunch of gigs inside of here. No,
Normally it's like one puff though. That boy be tootin'.
Said that boy be tootin'.
Yeah.
Or skate, mother yakkar. Or skate, goddamn. I'll turn off the car.
Wacky back.
What is this troglodyte doing? Like, oh my god. Mandatory retesting.
And you will never see her again. And like that was when I was still in.
Right. That's the part of Google Maps that's the best.
Because like I used Google Maps for a little bit, and then in that time it told me at least 3 times to like turn where there's a median. It's like, well, no, I can't.
In Wisconsin, that throws me off because there's a lot of those like half medians you can't actually.
But Joel has always been his own character. He's always been Joel. You can kind of like sit here for a second. I'll submit the order and then
Okay. Yeah, we'll do that. It's a what's it called?
Zorora.
Oh, so it's mimicking your buddy. That's why.
Oh.
So
okay.
for me, it would show whatever. I forget. For me, it would show Floette. You can't turn left. This lane goes straight.
Why?
Because that's the ramp that goes up to that other highway right here.